Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Sagittarius Fire Sign. Today I'm going to do a reading for those who are in separation and no contact. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. If you like my content, please do like the video, guys. Then it will reach more people. And thank you so much for supporting me. If anyone need a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me, and readings are chargeable. So first we will see what are the main blockages in this relationship. Sagittarius Fire Sign. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So if anyone need a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me and readings are charged. So let's see what are the main blockages. The main blockages in this relationship are no equal give and take, and lots of you are in long distance here. So that could be the major blockage and no equal give and take. Because Two of Cups is here, definitely no equal give and take situation here. And always you both were in defensive mode in recent past, so definitely not accepting other person's views, no equal give and take, and some of you are in long distance. So these are the main blockages what I'm seeing right now. So let's see your person current feelings and the true intentions towards you. So your person current feelings and the true intentions. Under the deck, the Hierophant. Some of you are dealing with Taurus, Ed sign, and some of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign, and some of you are dealing with the Leo, fire sign. So Seven of Swords, Page of Wands, and Queen of Swords. Definitely, your person have some trust issues. They are thinking that you are hiding something from them because Seven of Swords is here. And Page of Wands, definitely they wanna thinking about communication here, but at the same time they're thinking that you are very stubborn. And their intentions, the Sun, Queen of Pentacles, and Six of Wands. So Queen of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, and the Sun. So they thinking about reconciliation here. They're thinking about you very positively. They're thinking about putting efforts and want to reconcile with you. Definitely, they are thinking in a very positive way, but they are in slow moving energy because Knight of Pentacles. So let's see your current feelings. Sorry if you are facing some problems while watching the video because I am not at my hometown right now. So that's why. So let's see your current feelings. Under the deck, Five of Cups. Ten of Swords, Nine of Wands, and Temperance. So Sagittarius, definitely you are suffering in silence. You're really missing them a lot. You're feeling heartbroken here. But you are guarded up. You learned your lessons. Nine of Wands and the Temperance here. So definitely you're taking the control of your emotions into your hands. In past, maybe you were uh, highly emotional, but right now you're learning how to control your emotions here. So that's why you're taking the control of your life into your hands. Uh, and you are guarded up, but at the same time you are missing them. And lots of you are dealing with Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius fire sun. So let's see, will they take any action or not? Four of Swords, the Emperor and Knight of Swords and King of Pentacles. Definitely they will take action. Lots of you are dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Lot of air energies here, but they need to heal. So after healing, they are going to communicate with you, Sagittarius. Definitely they will rush to talk to you, but not immediate. Not immediately. It will take time. So you need to be patient, because your person is also very very stubborn, because they are in Emperor energy. Easily they will not express their feelings. So let's see from your side, do you want to take action? Five of Cups, the Empress, and Nine of Pentacles under the deck, the Hermit. No. Some of you are dealing with Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Virgo. You also don't want to take action here, because your person is in Emperor energy and you are in the Empress energy, and you want to be independent financially and emotionally, Sagittarius. So that's why you don't want to take any action here. You are in deep thinking right now, the Hermit energy. Yes, you do want a new beginning, because we got here Ace of Wands, but you're not taking any action here. So let's see what is the near future outcome of this relationship and where this relationship is headed on. Knight of Cups, Six of Pentacles, and King of Pentacles under the deck, the Devil. Some of you are dealing with Capricorn Edge sign. So I'm seeing some slow momentum in near future. Uh, and you both will think about equal give and take and stability regarding this relationship. So I want to clarify the outcome here. So King of Cups, Ace of Wands, and ten of Wands and Eight of Wands. I'm seeing communication, guys. In near future, you both will communicate. Things will move forward. Even though some of you, sometimes you will feel overburdened, but eventually things will get better. I'm seeing back and forth communication here. And Ace of Wands, definitely for some of you, there will be a new beginning between both of you guys. For lots of you, it's not over, but I'm seeing an important communication in near future. So let's see what are the messages for you regarding this relationship or situation. Four of Cups. So lots of you are wondering about your person. You are missing them a lot. You are not focusing on present. So first you need to come out of this energy. Be in present, and under the deck stuck energy, the Hanged Man. Definitely you are feeling stuck. So first you need to come out of this energy, Sagittarius. The Labos, you have options, but you are not paying any attention. Some of you are dealing with Gemini A side, and spend some time with your family, because under the deck we got Ten of Cups. So spend some quality time with your family to get more clarity. Or if you're feeling alone, spend some time with your family. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. And if anyone need a personal reading, I am giving my email ID in description box. You can reach out to me, and readings are chargeable. Thank you so much.